beauties, and welcome back to my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I'll be giving you guys a quick update on the modeling thing. So I did get an email and I definitely got accepted, so congratulations to me. So I'm going to show you guys like the receipts and everything, because I don't want people to think like, oh, this is clickbait or you're lying or we have no proof. So how do we know for sure? So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So if you have not seen the part 1 of this whole video and everything, because 9 times out of 10 there will be like another update, which will probably be the last update, but I'm not sure. We'll see. But I want to just, get you guys caught up, because I don't want to make y'all feel like, left out or anything, because you guys are my family. So I want to let you guys know stuff like this that's going on in my life, because it's exciting. But yeah, if you have not watched the part 1, you need to go watch that, because you're gonna be confused like, what is this video about? What do you mean update on what? So yeah, I did get an email, and like I told y'all before, she said it would take 2 weeks until I could get an answer, and it literally took 2 weeks. And the thing is, I didn't know that I got the email or not, because it's like I kept checking for it just in case, like, they would text me earlier or whatever, but I never got one. So I was kind of like nervous, because I thought maybe, I didn't get it or anything. But then again, it's like once that day came, which was August 30th, which is that Saturday, we had reached 2 weeks. So, for some reason, I just wasn't thinking about it that day. But yeah, so I'm gonna go down to the email. So the girl that was in charge of it, she sent me an email, or everybody an email that was wanting to be involved in everything, or the people she picked. So I'm going to put a screenshot up, of course, so you guys can see. But it says, congratulations, it's official. If you are viewing this email, you have been selected as a brand ambassador for Chic Clothing. As a part of this brand, you will use your passion and enthusiasm to help spread the word and shape the future of our brand. Being selected, you will have the first opportunity to enroll in the Model Experience Workshop that will start October 2020. So this year, like this coming up month, next October, we will be starting. There will be only 10 slots available. So that tells you 10 slots out of all the people. Taking the workshop is a requirement for all brand ambassadors before starting any other projects. If you would like to move forward, please type yes. If you would like to not move forward, please. You will have until 1 p.m. to respond before the workshop is offered to the public. Below, I will be attaching the following. The first thing, brand ambassador contract. 2, the Model Experience Workshop flyer. 3, the overview of the workshop. Important message: the Model Workshop fee is $200, which breaks down to $25 per session. The workshop will be held twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. for the whole month of October. Let's get to work. Can't wait to work with you and hope to hear from you soon. Chanel the model on the seat. So yeah. So that was the email that she sent me. And the thing is, like I told you guys, like I didn't even respond on time. So she sent this to us, oh no, it was August 29th. August 29th at about 10:54 p.m. at night. So I don't know what I was doing at night, but I'm pretty sure I was not, I didn't get no email. I don't remember getting an email. Sometimes my email be acting retarded, so yeah, I probably just didn't get it. But she texted me the next morning. It was like after 1 p.m. and she was like, please check your email. So I'm glad she actually texted me, because she gave me a second shot at it, because I really did not see this email until I actually opened up the app. I probably should have done that to begin with, but I wasn't thinking about it, because your email should pop up as a notification, which it did not. So we had to fill out this sheet or form, whatever. It was like really detailed stuff like why we should be, you know, selected for this, you know, workshop. They wanted to know more information about us, like our size and stuff like that, our information, like our contact information, our personal information, and different stuff like that, just to get to know us more, so they will know what we getting into and who they're working with and all that good stuff. So here is a flyer, which is right here. So like I said, it's going to be starting next month, Tuesday and Thursday, every single week, and it's going to be 6:30 to 8:30, and we'll be at the same exact place that we were when we did the audition. And we also have to wear black again, all black attire, but this time they're being a little bit more specific. We have to all wear black leggings, so I just ordered me a pair of leggings. I ordered me a pair of leggings. I literally just ordered these like last week, or was it this week? Yeah, it was last week. I literally just ordered these and they already came. They came today, so they came pretty fast. But I do love these. They are really comfortable and they're really long, so they fit my long legs. They're fitted and they're comfortable, and they're a size medium, so I'm glad I didn't get a small, because sometimes I can do a small, but I really think I only can do a small in like tops, and then medium and large in bottoms, because I'm kind of a little bit smaller up here in the chest area. But yeah, I ordered these from Shane, and I'm glad they came quick, because I was worried they weren't gonna come on time. Now I just need to figure out what type of shirt I'm gonna wear, but I have no idea. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. Hopefully we can do a third update, because I want you guys to see a lot of different things. And you know, if we take some pictures, I want you guys to see that, or you know, I just want to get you guys confirmed on everything and how everything is going, so you'll know my progress. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you have not seen my last video, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.